Yeah, so it's a combination. I've been meeting my counterparts here. Met the Saudi finance minister, the UAE finance minister. I'm meeting the Egyptian finance minister, and so on. So it's a great opportunity to meet your counterparts and have conversations about their economies, our economy, and mutual areas of cooperation, investment, trade. The other is obviously this is a corporate and a business-led discussion here. So meeting both the existing investors and also prospective investors. And I would say both in the context of old economy, जो बड़ी हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, मेंजीज है, जो एविएशन में एक्टिव है, नेस्ले है, पेप्सिको है, ये सारे एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टर्स हैं in Pakistan, and just figuring it out, what do they need and how they want to take their businesses forward, and then also the new economy and the new investors. And the good thing is that this time around, Prime Minister himself is going to be here, or this is to tell the Pakistan story, and this is on the back of the macroeconomic stabilization that we have achieved over the last couple of years under his leadership, and more importantly, how we want to move forward in terms of sustainable growth. And then, of course, I'll be joining some of the meetings that the Prime Minister will be having with the respective heads of state. But ये हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी opportunity है कि we showcase Pakistan, showcase the opportunity in Pakistan, showcase the macroeconomic stability in Pakistan, and essentially convey the message that Pakistan is open for business. Of course, Bilal is here as well, and from our perspective, ये सारी जो discussion है in terms of Web3, blockchain, और जो सारे हम अब areas को आगे लेकर जा रहे हैं in the context of PWARA, the licenses which are being issued. So new economy में भी जो है वो यहाँ different, Bilal is meeting, some of these meetings we are together, or this is a very exciting area. And as you know, this year's theme at World Economic Forum, AI is a very big topic. And from our perspective, this is an opportunity for us to leapfrog in many ways. और मैंने अभी भी पाकिस्तान में भी बात की थी, यहाँ भी मैं यही बात कर रहा हूँ कि if you have the top 5 freelancer population in the world, और हम blockchain centers of excellence बनाएं, then in that case, just their coding ability going from $12-14 to $50 to $250 per hour, it's great for them, it's fantastic for the country. So this is going to be a key area of discussions, और उसमें से एक दो CEOs जो हैं वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब से भी bilateral conversations कर रहे हैं. Well, essentially जो वहाँ potential है, right, and it's in our traditional areas, but as we know, जो हम बात कर रहे हैं, whether it's minerals and mining, whether it's agriculture, whether it's IT, these are all areas. और आज कल में यहाँ जो startups हैं उनके साथ भी conversation होगी. As you know, Minister of IT is sort of leading the whole digital discussion forward. कि ये जो सारे areas हैं इनमें अब हमारे पास ऐसी opportunity है, which I said कि there are certain areas where we can move incrementally. There are certain areas which if we do it right, we get the right expertise, we get the right funding and financing, but more importantly, the right knowledge transfer. In the knowledge economy, we can really leapfrog. And that is where we are trying to engage with various partners from around the world.